Let's take a look at how AI-driven insights can enhance lead capture process. In this particular instance, we're looking at a flow diagram representing what happens when someone fills out the Contact Me page on our website. Within the platform, we would start the email campaign, and it would automatically, based on how the person fills out which form on our website, they would receive an email. This would represent the data that they've asked for. And if you notice the green and red arrows here, we're asking a question, did they click on a link in the email? Let's take the positive path first. If they did, the green means go, we will add that new lead to a marketing list based on how they filled out the form. We'll also automatically push the record for lead assignment to the appropriate user in CRM. We'll alert that user that they've received a new lead and update the contact information with a new status of warm lead based on their traffic through the email campaign. We will also even create a task for the user automatically using AI based on the type of things that they're looking for and create an opportunity for the seller. Alternatively, if the person goes the red path and does not open that email initially, the system waits 5 days and sends them a follow-up email. And then again, we get to the question of, did they click on the link in that particular email? If green means go, we will jump them to a whole nother campaign based on their navigation on the email and push that record into CRM for lead assignment. All of this happens automatically without the seller doing anything. And how do they even find out about all of this? They get to see new leads that they've recently received and the associated lead score, prioritizing the leads. Obviously, the higher the score, the more engaged they are. Guess which one I'm going to call first. In addition to that, the AI builds and schedules tasks for sellers. In here, you see a number of activities that have been associated to the seller based on the flow through our campaign. And if the user is curious, they can drill in and see which contacts have been on the website recently. All of this information is presented to the user without them having to do anything except for open the system and read and react. So how does AI also help optimize the lead flow? Navigating to process definitions within SugarCRM, we're going to take a look at the lead routing process. When a new lead comes in, using the rules designed, we'll do a lead assignment. It will first look by the product line that's been requested, and then it will match the appropriate region. After that, it will then look with a region and decide who is the appropriate person to assign this lead to. By clicking in, we can look at action type. And there's a variety of different ways that the AI can apply its rules to route the leads. If there's multiple sellers in a region, we can use a round-robin, rule-based routing process. We can also do assign to user or by business rule. This enables us to make intelligent decisions autonomously using the AI built into the platform. Assign the lead, but assign it to the right person in the right orientation. Once that's done, it will also send a notification to that seller and create a task for them to follow up with the lead. All of this happens automatically, and the user doesn't need to do anything but read, react, and respond. Now that that lead has arrived and been assigned to a sales rep, let's look at what else can happen. Looking at this particular record for Clint, the AI has gone out and done research for us about both the person and the organization, finding news articles about that individual and their company. By simply clicking Enrich all the data can be swept up into CRM automatically and filling in the blanks. One click brings all this data into the SugarHand platform frame and fills in everything including the address. And down below you can see the AI has applied a guided selling automatically to the new lead and is giving us distinct driving directions about what to do, in what order, and when it needs to be completed by. By simply clicking the checkbox, we move on to the next step. This AI-based lead journey processes through every step that needs to be taken. These steps can be assigned to the appropriate person.